Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States, and we help them with many different types of immigration applications. So I'm here and I am streaming live on TikTok. Hi, TikTok friends. We have Facebook, we have YouTube. And we're streaming live on all of the platforms, and I come on here to provide some general information about immigration to give you an idea, a better way. Oops, we're having a little. Sorry about that. Okay. A way to understand immigration a little bit more thoroughly. Um, we are I'm here for you, and you can ask some questions. You can ask about immigration generally. You might not know what you are even eligible for, so this is a great opportunity for you to learn about immigration. If you want to be a part of this conversation, I'm on here frequently. I will remind you to like us and follow us on our social media platforms so you can be notified when I go live. If you have friends or family that you think would find this helpful, would find this a good learning experience, if they're interested in immigration, please share this post with them. And while I'm on here, and if you're joining me for the first time, say hello, tell me where you're watching from. If you have some kind of immigration question, please put that into the chat and I will review it and read it out loud for all of our folks that are on different platforms here. And I will give you an answer. But of course, if you need to have a confidential consultation, which is what we will need for me to give you specific information about your situation, right? Because we want to ask you questions. I want to get a handle on your immigration history, your background. So if you want to talk about your specific immigration case, I will suggest that you schedule a consultation with our firm. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. So I have 4 questions that I need to go over today with you guys. So let me go ahead and jump into that right now. If you want to schedule a consultation, again, call that phone number. But you could also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule a consultation directly from there as well. Okay, or otherwise call the office. We will definitely give you a call back right away tomorrow when my assistant Sophia gets into the office. She would love to speak with you and help you schedule a consultation. Let me talk to you a little bit about some of the types of applications that we do. One of our most common types of applications is VAWA, self-petition, and most of our clients do VAWA and a green card application at the same time. So a VAWA self-petition is for somebody that, in our case, in our most common case type, is for someone who's married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder who will not sponsor their application. There's abuse in the marriage. It is a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. The person lived with their spouse, right? They cohabitated for any amount of time. There was abuse in the marriage. It was a real marriage, and the spouse is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. That is what VAWA is. If you file for VAWA, you can sometimes be eligible also for a green card. In most of the cases that we do, you're also eligible for a green card along with your VAWA application. And you can get a work authorization in about 6 to 8 months if you do VAWA and a green card. You will see a VAWA approval in about 1.5 years, and then a green card usually in about 3 years, 2.5 to 3 years with current processing times. The really exciting thing about VAWA, guys, right now is that the filing fees are going to disappear starting April 1st. So if you are thinking about VAWA, it will be a really good time to file. So it's a great time to get started with an immigration attorney. If you are married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you don't have status in the U.S., it's a great time to get started with an immigration attorney because we can prepare your application, and by the time we file, there will be no government filing fees, okay? So if you'd like to talk about your VAWA case, reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients no matter where they are located in the United States. Some of them are even outside the United States. I help them with their immigration applications. We do a lot of different types of immigration applications, but today I am talking about VAWA. Okay? All right. Um, One of the big questions that comes up with VAWA applications is, can my family be contacted about my VAWA self-petition, right? Can my family be contacted about my VAWA self-petition? So the entire VAWA process is confidential. Remember, you're doing this based on abuse from your spouse. It can be emotional abuse, it can be psychological abuse, right? There are many different types of abuse. The spouse is not contacted in this process. Of course, we do not want to do any fraudulent applications. We want to be very, very truthful in what we are submitting, and you will not have an issue as long as you're truthful with your VAWA self-petition. Okay. So your spouse might not be sponsoring you, but there might be abuse in the marriage. Different types of abuse go into effect, and you do not have to have your spouse be involved in the process. In fact, you don't have to tell anybody about it unless you want to, right? And the entire process will move forward. For many of our VAWA applicants, they still live with their abusive spouse. So what they do is they prefer to use us as their mailing address, and we process the mail, we scan it, and we share it with them via email. We have a secure case management site as well. So there are many different ways to work with us on VAWA, and you do not have to worry that your spouse will be notified about your VAWA application. Okay. If you're interested in VAWA, please reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name, again, is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. Some of them are even outside of the United States, and we help with so many different types of immigration applications. And today I'm talking about a VAWA self-petition. All right, if you'd like to call us for a consultation, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go to our Facebook page and schedule a consultation. Okay, you can go to a Facebook page and schedule a consultation. And you can also go to our website, which is Agarwal Immigration, and you can schedule from there as well. The good thing about checking out the website is you'll get to know a little bit about our firm, our style, our background and experience. And I think that will all be fun experience for you to go and take a look and get a handle on the type of attorney or who you're looking for to work with. Okay. And hopefully you learn a little bit about VAWA as well. You can reach us again at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Samuel says, hi, how long does it take to renew a work permit? I sent the application 2 weeks ago. Usually about a couple of months, a few months, let's say 3 to 4 months to get the renewal. But many work permit applications, if you're doing a renewal, are eligible for automatic renewal. So you have to figure out if your category is eligible for an automatic renewal, which means that for 180 days, if you filed a renewal while that first one is still valid, then you have it automatically extended for 180 days beyond the expiration date. All right, Samuel, I hope that's helpful for you. Those are not all categories, so you want to make sure that you qualify for that if you're going to try to use that as a way to extend the expiration of your work authorization. Okay, my name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C., but our clients are located all throughout the United States, and we help with all types of immigration applications. All right. What forms do I need for a VAWA self-petition, right? So what forms do I need for a VAWA self-petition? So you need several forms. So one is the VAWA petition, which is the form I-360. If you're applying for VAWA and a green card, you'll need the adjustment of status application, which is the I-485. And many times you can qualify also for work authorization and travel authorization, which will be 765 for work authorization and 131 for the travel authorization. So these are the 4 forms that we usually use for our VAWA self-petitions. If we can help you, reach out to us. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. 1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. We can help you no matter where you are located. Okay? Give us a call. We'd love to chat with you for a confidential consultation. Is there a government fee in a VAWA case, right? Is there a government fee in a VAWA case? So just filing for VAWA alone is not requiring a government fee ever, actually, ever. That was never the case, at least as far as I've been practicing, okay? But now, starting April 1st, guys, this is big news. Starting April 1st, even the adjustment of status application, so this is your green card application if you file it along with your VAWA case, and the travel and the work permit, none of them are requiring a fee if you file it after April 1st. So if you're working on your VAWA case right now, that is something you want to think about. You're going to save yourself over $1,000 in government fees if you file after April 1st, okay? But that doesn't mean you shouldn't start working with your attorney. So it usually takes us about 3 weeks or so to put the VAWA application together. So give us a call if we can help you. You will save your government filing fees if you file after April 1st. Call us. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. You can reach me at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome here. Okay. All right, here's another question for VAWA. We're talking about VAWA today, right? If I'm still married to my abusive spouse, can I qualify for VAWA, right? If I'm still married to my abusive spouse, can I qualify for VAWA? The answer to that is yes, absolutely. VAWA does not require that you be separated. It does not require that you be divorced. It doesn't even require that you do that after the approval of the petition or even after you file. You can be married. You can stay married to your abusive spouse if you choose to do so. If you file a VAWA, what you need is someone who you are married to, someone who's a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, right? And you have to have lived with them. It has to be a real marriage, and there has to be some kind of abuse in the marriage. And emotional, verbal, mental abuse all will count as abuse for a VAWA. If you get VAWA, what you receive is work authorization. If you're applying with a green card, you'll receive it in about 6 months, between 6 and 8 months. You will be receiving travel authorization if you qualify, also in that same time frame. A green card in about 2.5 to 3 years. So give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. So I am sorry, but I can't get to all of your questions today, but I do want to encourage you to like us and follow us on our social media. We're Agarwal Immigration on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. We are Agarwal Immigration. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. I would love for you guys to reach out to us for a consultation. We're doing them by phone, by Zoom, or in person, right? So phone, Zoom, in person, call me. I would love to chat with you about your immigration case. And if you have friends or family that might want to join us for this conversation next time, share this post with them. Okay, guys, share this post with them. And it's getting late in the evening for us here on the East Coast. So I'm going to let you go today, but I will be back on tomorrow, and I hope to see many of you on tomorrow. If I didn't get your question, please join me tomorrow, and I will do my best to get to it. I can be on a lot longer tomorrow. Okay, have a great evening. I will see you all very soon. Thank you so much for joining me.